In this video, we're going to answer one simple question. Is the basic 2019 iPad a good choice for seniors? Stick around for the answer. Hi, I'm Rich Boland, and on this channel we talk about tech, life, and how to get things done. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button, and all the links to everything I mentioned in this video you can find in the description box below. So I'm building out a video series on iPad for seniors, and the best place to start has to be with the iPad purchase. Which one should you buy? Steve Jobs first introduced the iPad a decade ago, and since then, Apple has made continuous improvements to the hardware and software experience. But today there's more than one flavor of iPad to choose from, and making a decision on which iPad to buy, especially when it's for your parents or grandparents, can be challenging. Apple's current crop of iPads include the iPad Pro 11 and 12.9 inch, the iPad Air, the iPad Mini, and the basic iPad, the 7th generation iPad. And prices range from a whopping $1,649 for a tricked out iPad Pro to $329 for the iPad 7th generation. It's what I call the basic iPad. And that's the iPad we're going to look at today. And in my opinion, this iPad is the best value on the market. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this iPad. Are you using it? Does it meet your needs? Really? Let me know. So here are the top 3 reasons why I think the basic iPad from 2019 is the best iPad for seniors. Number 1, screen size. At 10.2 inches, the basic iPad screen is easily large enough to watch YouTube videos, view pictures, as well as send emails and texts. You know, all the basic things an older person might like to do on the iPad. And while this screen may not be as nice as the iPad Pro screen, it's bright and crisp, and for the price, it's the best on the market. And since interaction with the iPad occurs on the screen, having a bright, beautiful screen is job one. Number 2, Touch ID. So Touch ID remains popular even in the age of facial recognition, but for seniors, opening your iPad by placing your thumb on the home button is just easier than making sure the iPad camera is at the right angle for Face ID. Plus, if you have an iPad with Face ID, you know how easy it is to cover the camera with your thumb. And moreover, with Touch ID, you can set up to open the iPad with different fingerprints, making it even easier to use. And the process to set up Touch ID is easy. My mom is 90 years young, and she set up Touch ID in just a few minutes. Really, it's easy. Number 3, price. Let's face it, Apple hit a home run by selling this basic iPad for $329. Better yet, if you look around, it's not hard to find this iPad on sale at even lower prices. I bought this iPad for Mom on Black Friday last year for $249. It's a steal at that price. Again, it's not the most powerful iPad out there, but it's powerful enough to handle most chores, including watching YouTube videos like this one, or texting and email and viewing photos, and just many other things too. In my opinion, whether you're a young or seasoned citizen, if you're looking to join Apple's iPad world, the basic 2019 iPad 7th generation is a great entry point. Perfect size, perfect price, so easy to use. You can't go wrong buying this iPad. So what do you think? Do you, your parents, or grandparents use this iPad? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have an idea for a video that would help you or one of your senior friends, let me know. I'll be happy to make it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please tap that subscribe button. We're new here on YouTube, and subscribing would really help the channel out. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.